Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Have channel. You're watching health, environment, fight safety, food safety, sustainability solutions. Today we are discussing very informative topic, that is SWOT, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis. What is a SWOT analysis? How it is work out in your workplace, how to develop a strategy for success, and what is a SWOT, how to do a SWOT analysis, and in this session, how the SWOT analysis is used in your workplace and any projects in this SWOT analysis strategy. So let us discuss what is SWOT means. SWOT, SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. So what is a SWOT analysis? The SWOT analysis, it is a non-financial planning tool. It links the analysis in terms of advantage and disadvantage and the internal and external business environment in the matrix format. The strength and weakness are defined by measures such as a market share, loyal customers, level of customer satisfaction and product quality, and opportunities, new potential areas for business in the future, such as in new markets or new condition or in existing markets. Threats describes how the competitions, new technology or other factors in the business environment may affect the business development. The SWOT analysis is a powerful technique for understanding your strengths and weakness and for looking at the opportunities and threats you face. For a business to expand diversity and sustain in the market, SWOT analysis is a must should be how to follow this tool. SWOT analysis is that SWOT define that the positive and negative. There is a strength is the strength and weakness is internal and opportunities and threats is external. So SWOT analysis is a strategic planning method used to evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats involved in a business. It involves specifying the objectives of the business and identifying the internal and external factors that are favorable and unfavorable to achieve that object. The technique is credited to Albert Humphrey. So, if you think the business could be a better, why not try the SWOT analysis? So, SWOT standards: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. By putting your firm under the magnifying glass in such a fashion, you may find that way to grow your company and how you increase your earnings. So like that, you have to understand that SWOT analysis strategies in a SWOT analysis process. So use SWOT analysis, how to develop the strategies for success. Use SWOT analysis to assess your organization current position before you decide or any new strategy. Find out what's working well and what's not so good. Ask yourself where you want to go, how you might get there, and what might get in your way. And these are all big issues, and you will need a powerful but simple technique to help you SWOT analysis. So in this SWOT analysis, what is a SWOT analysis means the SWOT standard: strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. And so a SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing this the four aspects of your business. So you can use the SWOT analysis to make the most what you have got to your organization best and advantage, and you can reduce the chances of failure by understanding what you are lacking and eliminating hazards that would other catch your unawares. So better still, you can start to craft a strategy to distinguish your from competitors and so compete successful in your market. So the SWOT, how to do the SWOT analysis means you can first you have to draw a SWOT analysis matrix and use for your template, and you can be there is a four aspects in strength and weakness, opportunity and threats, and figure out for your problems. Like suppose strength, let us will discuss a SWOT analysis matrix. In strength, what do you do well, and what unique resources can you draw on, and what do others see as your strength. Like that, in that your format you have to mention your that strength, uh, particularly whatever in your efforts and that you explore and innovative ideas. And weakness, what could you improve, and where do you have a resources than others, and what others likely to see as a weakness. And opportunities, what opportunities are to you, and what trends could you take advantage of, how can you turn your strength and into opportunities. And threats, what threats could harm you, what is your competition doing, what threats do you weakness expose to you. So like this you have to SWOT analysis matrix. You can approach a SWOT analysis in two ways: to get people together to kick off the strategy formulation informally, or as more sophisticated and formal tool. In either case, gather a team from a range of functions and levels in organizations. Use a brainstorm techniques to build a list of ideas about where your organization currently stands. Every time you can identify a strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Write it down in a relevant part of the grid. So to clarify which section your idea belongs to, it may be useful to think strength and weakness as internal factors. That is to do with the organizations, its assets, processes, and people. Think of opportunities and threats and as external factors arising from your market, your competitors, and the wider economy. So let's look each area in more details and consider what exactly in this analysis. Strength is that are the things that your organization does particularly well in way that distinguish from your competitors. Think about the advantage of your organizations and organizations. These might be motivation of your staff, access to the certain materials, or strong set of manufacturing processes. So your strength are the integral part of your organization. So think about what makes it tick, what do you in better than anyone else, what values drive your business, what unique low cost resources can you draw upon that others can't. Identify and analyze your organizations, and add this strength this section, and then turn your perspective around that. Ask yourself what your competitors might see as your strength, what factors mean that you have to get this other than ahead from them. And remember, any aspect in organizations, only strength is strength if it brings you clearly advantage. For example, if all competitors provide high quality products, then a high quality production process is not a strength in your market, it's a necessity. So this is a strength you have to understand for your strength of your organization, your strength of your productions, your strength of your skills. So you can matching and converting. So another way of that utilizing SWOT is matching and converting. Matching is used to find a competitive advantage by the matching the strength of opportunities. The converting to apply conversion strategies to convert weakness or threats into strength opportunities. An example of conversion strategy is to find new markets. If the threats or weakness can't be converted, a company should try to minimize to avoid them. So the strength is that good capacities of producing good products, technologies, R&D efforts, human resources, demand from the client from that some amount of knowledge and technical skills. So these are all the strengths. Weakness, the product must become absolute, technology has become absolute, key management power may not be there, key manpower may not be there. So the point is, so everything is in, you have to take for these opportunities. A company can identify new products, that company can for new sectors, the company can go for new geography, the new economy. The company can go and extend their market. Company can take the advantage of the changing lifestyle. They can go for the opportunities available, technology changing. So threats. In threats there is a political threats, legislative threats, environmental threats, technology threats, and from the pattern partners and joint ventures alliance, and from the buyers, from the suppliers, from the key stops, from other suppliers and vendor partners. So in this there is a three stages of SWOT analysis: identify, draw conclusions, translate into strategic action. SWOT: strength, build on current technology, existing knowledge of target market, favorable market research, short development project. Weakness: there is a no senior level stakeholder, expensive projects, and you can check for all weaknesses. And opportunities: and sell to existing corporate customers and rapidly expanding market. Threats: there's a competition, already two products in this market, change in that legislation, and potential economical downtime. So all this in this you can be identify and draw conclusion and translate into strategic plans. So lot of advantage in SWOT analysis. So in weakness, now it's time to that you can any organizations be honest in that a SWOT analysis will only be available if you have gathered all the information you need. So it's the best to realistic now and face any unpleasant truth as soon as possible. Weakness is like strengths are inherent features of your organizations. So focus on your people, resources, systems and procedures. Think about what you could improve and the sorts of practices you should avoid. Once again, and you can imagine how other people in your market see you. Do they notice weakness that you tend to be blind to? Take time to examine how and why your competitors are doing better than you, and what are you lacking. Opportunities: opportunities are opening or chances for something positive to happen, but you will need to climb them for yourself. They usually arise from situations outside your organizations and require an eye to what might happen in future. They might arise a development in the market you serve or in the technology you use. Being able to spot and exploit opportunities can make a huge difference to your organization's abilities to compete and take the lead in our market. So think about good opportunities you can spot immediately. These don't need to be a game changers. Even small advantages can increase your organization's competitiveness. What interesting market trends are you aware of, are large or small, which could have an impact? You should also watch how changes in government policy that in a field, and changes in social patterns, population profits, and safety and environment and your lifestyles can all throw up interesting opportunities. Threats: threats include anything that can negatively affect your business from the outside, such as a supply chain problems, shifts in market requirements, or shortage of recruits. It's vital to anticipate threats and to take action against them before you become a victim of them and your growth stalls. Think about that obstacles you face in getting your product to make and selling. So you may be notice that quality standards or specification of your products are changing, and that you will need to change those products if you stay in the lead. Evolving technologies and ever present threats as well as an opportunity. Always consider what your competitors are doing and where you should be change your organization's emphasis to meet the challenges. But remember that the way you are doing might be not be the right things for do you do, and avoid copying them without knowing how it will improve your position. So be sure explore whether your organization is especially exposed to external challenges. Do you have a bad debt or cash flow problems, or for example that could make you vulnerable to even small changes in your market? This is a kind of the threat that you can seriously damage your business. So that be alert and understand the threats and convert that your strategic plan, and go for that innovative way. So how to use a SWOT analysis? The once you have examined all of the aspects of SWOT, you will be likely be faced with a long list of the potential actions to take. You will want to build on your strength, boost your weaker areas, head off any threats, and exploit every opportunity. But before you leap into action, look for potential connections between the quadrants of your matrix. For example, could you sum of your strength to open up further opportunities, and would even more opportunities become available by eliminating some of your weakness? So now it's time to ruthlessly prune and prioritize your ideas so that you can focus time and money on the most significant ones. Refine each point to make your comparisons clearer. For example, only accept precise verifiable statements such as a cost advantages turns into sourcing raw material X rather than the better value for money. So carry through the options, you can generate the latest stages in your strategy formation process and apply them at the right level. For example, at a product to product line level rather than at a much bigger whole company level. So and use your SWOT analysis alongside other strategy tool, and so that you can be comprehensively understand situations accordingly. You have to follow that. So the SWOT analysis advantage is that consolidate the strength, minimize the weakness, helps to grab opportunities, minimize threats, facilitates planning, facilitates alternative choice, helps to innovative and ensure survival success. uh, so we'll discuss for that one case study for this SWOT analysis. For example, Nirma Chemical Limited. A Nirma was a basic detergent with a no color design or sophistications on the pack on the product. So was priced at the around 35% of the surf. So price and medium quality, distribution, reach and effective use of media. So market share grew of the 0% in 1976 to about 60% in 1987 in over a period of the 10 years. 60% in 1987 in over the period of 10 years. So it has become the largest selling the brand, and the success of the Nirma is due to affordable price. So the little strategies is changes to bigger impact, like the title of Nirma girl going round and round on her feet makes a strong impact for the brand. So you have to thinking for that in this analysis. Let us discuss in this case study in Nirma Chemical Limited case study. We have to go for that one by one. We have to convert in that SWOT analysis. So Nirma Chemicals Limited in SWOT analysis strength in strong brand equity. Nirma is the 17 rupees billion umbrella brand offering consumers a brand portfolio of products at multiple price points in detergents, soaps and personal care market. So market leadership in detergents and fabric wash, second largest player in the toilet soaps, has wide distribution network. It's a strategy of rural marketing is its a unbeatable strength. So these are all the strength in this area. Like weakness, there is a high interest burden and less presence in premium segment, lacks global tie-up and thus finds hard to tap export markets. And opportunities, exports, acquisitions for strengthening its distribution tie-ups and entry into other categories like shampoos and toothpaste and fabric whiteners. And threats, the MNCs are approaching Indian markets, emergence of small but strong regional players, brand name products have greater influence over it. Nirma has been able to niche for itself in the face of intense of MNC competitions. So the Nirma's achievement is surely something about which an Indian can be proud to be a brand that has lived up in a catch line, better products, better values, better living. So like this we have to discuss for that strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So lot of advantage in that SWOT analysis in every area. So this is a very important for that explore that your anything any area in corporate strategies. If you think any business could be doing better, and why not we have to try for in everything every area. This is a strategic planning method used to evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats involved in a business. So in this every area you have to focus for that, plan of that, strategically understand that strength and achievements and weakness and opportunities. So like this you have to, a scan of the internal and external environment is an important part of this strategic planning process. Environmental factors internal to that firm usually can be classified as a strength or weakness, and those external to firm can be classified as opportunities and threats. So internally and externally it's very very important. It is an analysis base, we have to think for that, strength, weakness and opportunities and advantage and this, and like that you have to, the SWOT matrix is clearly strength and weakness, opportunities, threats. The strength, opportunities, SO strength strategies, weakness of strategies, and SO strategies, WO strategies, ST strategies and WT strategies. So the SWOT matrix is, a firm should not be necessarily pursue the more lucrative opportunities, rather it may have a better chance and developing a competitive advantage by identify a fit between the firm's strength and upcoming opportunities. In some cases the firm can overcome a weakness in order to prepare itself to pursue a compelling opportunity. To develop a strategies that take into account that SWOT profile, a matrix of these factors can be constructed. The SWOT matrix is shown. SO strategies like pursue opportunities that are good fit to company strength. WO strategies overcome weakness to pursue opportunities. ST strategies identify the ways that the firm can use the strength to reduce its vulnerability to external threats. WT strategies establish a defensive plan to prevent the firm's weakness from making it highly susceptible to external threats. So this is an entirely strategic management of SWOT analysis. So guys, let us understand that, uh, this is a strength, opportunities and weakness, threats. Very very important for this uh, SWOT analysis in your projects and workplace and all departments, it will be useful for this. So let us understand for that SWOT analysis and make it useful for this in your projects and your departments, and let us be innovatively think for your ideas and convert for that, your business purpose and your skills purpose. It's very very important. So it's completely you can, the SWOT analysis is to develop your strategy for success. Use SWOT analysis to assess your organization's current position before you decide on any new strategies. It's a completely, you can think yourself with a new strategy, and you have to develop in this SWOT analysis and the SWOT analysis matrix in your organizations. Thank you, thanks a lot.